One.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Allie, and guess what today is? Today is another day where we're gonna show you alternative ways to make an income. These are cans, and guess what I'm doing? I am taking these cans to the recycle spot. Yeah, that's right, it's your girl taking the aluminum cans to be recycled. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please do so. Hit the subscribe button, make sure that you like what's going on our channel, and join Allie's View. So, taking the cans to be recycled. My suitcases now. Okay. Everybody, here we are. We are at the place where I bring my cans. Whenever I'm getting ready to have my cans. Okay, everybody, so we're at the can recycling location. You can witness this process. Follow along with me. So I am taking the cans out and putting them inside of here. So this is how they drive over. When they're getting ready to weigh the cans. This nice gentleman right here, and you can record that for us, sir.
That's all you guys cans?
Yes, sir. So he just asked me whether, is that all I've got is cans? Because if I had other items besides cans, they treat them a little bit differently. We are at a recycling location. And as you can tell, there's all kinds of different items that can be recycled. So the next step in this process is to make sure that I get all the cans. Oops, there goes my bag. Make sure that I get all the cans that I have, put them in here. He's gonna drive that little cart over here and take this in there, and they're going to weigh it, and then they're gonna make a determination on how much these cans are worth. So stick with me. It's your girl Allie, and this is Allie's View, and we are still in the global pandemic, coronavirus. You need a mask? Look down in the description. You can get one of these. Click the link in the description if you're interested in finding out more about how to get one of these masks. But like I said, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. This is Allie's View. It's your girl Allie, and I'm bringing you some fun and exciting things. And see, they've already shut down. They're getting ready to close, it looks like. Yep. And come on in, and we'll go inside in just a minute. So you can cut, and we'll go inside.
No. You're in the right place.
Okay, so you're recording? So he's gonna pick this little thing up, and he's gonna carry my cans, and they're gonna weigh the cans, and they're gonna give me the value of aluminum for whatever those cans are worth. I am really big on recycling, doing everything we can to help society and the world. So if we can recycle and use things over and over again, why not? I love this little thing you drive around. So he's sitting it right there on top of it. They're going to weigh it.
Get your ID.
Yes, sir. He's getting my driver's license because you have to have an ID in order to be able to sell the items that you want to recycle. So I just gave him my state-issued driver's license, and he's pulling up my information, and he's also weighing these aluminum cans. And once he assesses the value, I'm going to go over to that window, and that's how the process works. So if you haven't already considered selling your cans, why not? It's a great way to come up with alternative methods of gaining cash, and it's helping the environment. So we'll see. How does it look? I was like, yay! He told me it looked pretty good. So I'm always excited when they tell me that, because that means the value of aluminum has gone up, I suspect. He's checking everything out. And if you remember, that was how many bags? I think I had what, one? I had 1, 2, 3, 4.5 bags of cans. I had 4 full bags and a half.
You're all set. There you go. You're outside window. You gotta go there.
Thank you, sir. The outside window is
Yep, outside window.
okay, thank you. So we're gonna go to the outside window. Used to be this window, but now it's the outside window. So here we are. Hello, how are you doing today? So you come to the outside window, and they've already weighed it, and she's getting the printout. And she'll tell me what I may be able to get. Okay, so I sign right here. Okay. And she's going to pay me in cash. Thank you. Okay. So do I get a receipt? Oh, thank you. So this is my receipt, and it just basically tells you that I just made $4.08 selling my cans. So again, this is your girl Allie. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, it's Allie's View, and I shouldn't be pulling my mask down, but consider recycling. It's a safe way to make alternative income, additional income, by doing the right thing and helping our environment. Okay? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It's your girl Allie. This is Allie's View, and this is Recycling My Cans.